Welcome, today I'm showing how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card in your Samsung Galaxy M23. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into biometrics and security option. Here, scroll down one more time and choose other security settings. Now tap Setup SIM card lock, and now need to tap on the switcher to turn off this option. So let's try. Turn on. For unlocking SIM card, need to enter your PIN and click OK. And how you can see, we disable our lock SIM card option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.